In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer. First things first, you'll want to head over to the official Adobe Reader download page. This is the most secure way to get the software, as you're directly accessing it from Adobe's official website. Once you're on the download page, look for the button that says Download Acrobat Reader, and click on it. This will initiate the download process for the installer file. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a moment, so feel free to grab a cup of coffee while you wait. After the installer file has finished downloading, your next step is to locate it on your computer. Typically, if you're using a Windows PC, these files are saved in the Downloads folder by default. If you're using a different browser or have customized settings, be sure to check wherever your browser usually saves files. Now that you've found the installer file in your Downloads folder, it's time to get things started. Go ahead and double-click the installer file to launch the setup process. Once the setup is initiated, you'll be greeted by on-screen prompts that will guide you through the installation process step by step. One of the first things you'll encounter is the license agreement. It's important to read through this and understand the terms and conditions before proceeding. Once you've reviewed them, click to accept the license agreement, which is a necessary step in order to proceed with the installation. Next, you may be prompted to choose an install location if it's needed. Most users find that the default location works perfectly fine and simplifies the process. So, unless you have a specific reason to change it, you can just proceed with the default settings. Now, we move on to the actual installation. Allow the installer to do its thing. It might take a couple of minutes, so sit back and relax. The software will automatically configure itself according to your system's specifications, ensuring everything runs smoothly once it's ready to go. As the installation nears completion, keep an eye on the screen for directions. You'll eventually see a button that says either Finish or Close, depending on the version you're installing. Click on it to wrap up the process and close the installer. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Adobe Acrobat Reader on your device. You can now open PDFs and enjoy all the features this software has to offer. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or run into any trouble, feel free to leave a comment, and we'll be happy to help. Enjoy using Adobe Reader. Adobe.